this is VJ, and today I'm going to show you a killer $650 gaming PC just for you guys. And we're gonna see the parts description as well as the price at the same time. All the prices and parts are subjected to Amazon.com, and then all are in US dollars. If you're living in if you're living in US and you're gonna make the PC around $650, this might be the way you want to watch for. So $650, as you can see the whole price, and we start with our processor. We got Intel i5 6400, it's a magnificent processor for the price. We got a 6 MB cache, and the second thing is it support LG1151 socket type, and the thing is it's coming the base frequency of 2.7 GHz and gone up to the turbo frequency of 3.2, which is just brilliant for gaming as well as live streaming, rendering, editing, everything. You're gonna make this just around $185. It's a brilliant processor for the price. When I go with the i5 6500, but the price is just a little bit more, and this PC guys is absolutely price to performance perfect. So if you go for this type of build in a reference, so you're gonna watch this video to the end. And for the motherboard, go with the supported LG1151 which support our CPU as well. It's a micro ATX. It's got a dual channel memory as well, and it's got every bells and whistles you need. It's for $46. A cheap motherboard for the price as well, but it's well supported with our i5 6400. And for the memory, go with the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB 2133 MHz DDR4 RAM. It's just brilliant for 36.75. It's just a brilliant thing. And in future, if you want to upgrade this, you're gonna make another stick of 8GB 2133 because the motherboard supported dual channel. So in future, if you want 16 gigs, move, because presently 8GB is more than enough for that price as well. And we have to consider the price as well, because we're gonna make this PC at $650. It's just absolutely perfect for the price. And for the SSD, I go the ADATA USA Premier 240 GB. Yes guys, 240 GB SSD on a $650 bill. It's around $60. It's so cheap. What to say? It's writing speeds, loading speeds, booting speeds, and especially in OS, you're gonna primary OS drive, you can put OS in it, and you get a great writing speeds and the boot times, everything gonna perfect as compared to the mechanical hard drive. And for the mass storage, definitely we have to include the hard drive. I go with the WD 1 terabytes. It's a tried and tested blue HDD from the Western Digital. It's a 7264 MB cache, just around $54, and just brilliant for the price as well. And the absolutely important thing for our gaming PC is the graphic. I got the GTX 962GB variant. I got this for just around $190. You can see on my screen. It's just an absolute super clock edition from VGA. You're gonna play each and every game. We can targeted our resolution to 1080p with high settings. Absolutely crack each and every game around 45 plus frames per second with high settings on it. And high settings is a decent settings, mind you. 2016. We are in the era of 2016, and this price to performer EVGA GTX 960 is an absolutely price to performance ratio card, because just around $990. It's a steal, tell you that. And for the power supply, I go the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus 1 certified power supply with a 3 years warranty from EVGA, and just kind of $35. It's a steal, man. And the thing is, I just keep in mind that each and every future upgrade also. And if you see that perspective, $500 is more than efficient, because this is a very power efficient build guys. So $500 is more than enough for this build. And just like it, we don't gonna SLI it, so $500 just bang for the buck. And for the case, I go with the thermal take. I'm gonna just around $44, and what you get is like you can see on my screen, it's a killer looking case. As you can see from thermal take, it's all thing, as you can see in front, as in the rear, as you can see, just brilliant for the price. And you got different variants. I choose the white one because it's look good, and if you go for this red variant, you have to pay more, and black as well, you have to pay somewhat more. So as you can see, if you go to a card, the whole price is around $650, including 240 GB SSD for the price, and was the killer gaming PC for the March 2016. Hope you enjoy, guys. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel, hit the subscribe button, and do share the video for my channel to help the channel, I have to say. And thank you for watching. Bye for now. This is Vijay signing off.